Hello everyone, it's Yolanda Renee, and today we are going to be doing a Sally Beauty Box unboxing. I've been getting these from Sally for a while now, so I decided let's do an unboxing to see what's in here, and we can kind of discuss these products freely. So today we're going to be talking about prices as well, because you guys know our natural hair products though, we demand a certain kind of quality, which means we have to pay for it, right? If you guys are interested, if you are, keep on watching. What we're gonna do for this unboxing to make it more interactive, I'm gonna show you each product that was in the box, and we're gonna talk about the price and just what it does. And in the comments, I want you to either tell me you have tried it or you haven't. If you have tried it, tell us what you like about the product. Did your hair like it? What did you dislike about it? And let's just talk about the product. This is the Pomade-to-Oil treatment by Elle Organics. It's $13.99. What do we think about that price, y'all? It says it's the perfect solution for soothing your dry scalp, eliminating frizz, and adding an impeccable amount of shine. As you put a small amount into the palm of your hands, rub together, apply to damp or dry hair, working into hair and scalp style as desired. This product is very interesting to me because usually products don't really focus on your scalp. You know what I mean? Usually it's the oil type of product that focuses on your scalp. But this is a pomade-to-oil treatment, so it's for your hair and your scalp, which is interesting. So I'm very interested in trying this product, and especially the eliminating frizz part. Like, who doesn't want to eliminate frizz? Let's see. Have you tried this product? If you've tried this product, get in the comments right now. Press pause. Get in the comments and tell us about it, okay? All right. The next product we have, and remember, all these products are from Sally's. The next product we have is from Carol's Daughter. I actually have two products from Carol's Daughter, so I'll do both of these. This is a frizz tamer. So it's basically an edge control. Oh wait, let me show you the product first. So yes, this is from Carol's Daughter. This is a frizz tamer for all hair types. And let's look it up. Frizz tamer. Everybody has their own special unique name for edge control. I end up calling all of them edge control. And mind you, the queen of edge control is Cream of Nature. I'm sorry, I had to say it because they are. I love their edge controls. I love them all. But my favorite one right now is definitely from the Coconut Milk collection. Oh, wait. Frizz tamer, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Alright, so this is Carol's Daughter. I'm going to butcher this name too. It's the PRACAXI. I don't know. PRACAXI NECTAR. I'll put it on the screen because I don't know how to say it. It's for all hair types. What else does it say? Oh, the price is $8.99. What do we think about that? And it says buy one, get one 50% off. Okay. Alright, it says it provides a conditioning hold, smooths frizzy edges, adds softness and shine. Those claims to me are very contradictory. Like, how does it tame your edges if it does a conditioning hold, smooths frizzy edges, but adds softness and shine? Like, I don't know about all that. I don't know, but let me know in the comments. Have you tried this and what did you think? Alright, the next product we have here is this is Carol's Daughter PRACAXI. You guys, I'm sorry, I don't know how to say this. This is a bodybuilder leave-in. Always a fan of leave-in conditioners. Let's see, bodybuilder leave-in. I think the names of products are so funny. They're usually tongue twisters to me because it's like the longest like title. It says it adds body and volume. It's adds a conditioning softness, just like it said with the frizz tamer. Protects against heat. Ooh, it's a heat protectant. Okay. the Curl Maker by Camille Rose, and it's a curling jelly. And this jelly though, Taylor's hair loves this product. So this hydrates, softens, and strengthens your hair. I think this is best for wash and goes. I tried to do a twist out with this one time, because when I used this product, when I saw how amazing Taylor's hair looked, I was like, oh, I might as well twist it to like really get these defined curls. But no, honey, no. It doesn't work well with twist outs. It makes it too soft. Where when you use this for wash and go style, it really just, I don't know, it just makes the curls perfect. So yeah. So let me know, what do you guys think? When I think of Camille Rose, I instantly think of this curl maker, and as well as their almond joy twisting butter. Oh my god. Alright, so the next product we are going to be looking at, oh wait, I didn't even tell you how much it costs. Come on, Yolanda, get it together. Alright, curl maker. Alright, I found it on the Sally Beauty website, sallybeauty.com. Are y'all ready for this price? I don't think y'all ready. Again, this product is bomb, but guess how much it is? Guess how much it is in the comments. Press pause, guess, and then come back and watch this video. Guess the price, because y'all not ready. This product is $21.99. Basically $22. It's 12 ounces, and a little does go a long way. This lasts for a long time. But girl, $21.99. There's no, I don't see any sales on this product. But it says vitamin enriched with slip and shine. True and correct. Lasting hold without the crunch. True and correct. And it's a curl definer. True and correct. So correct. Like, they're not even lying. Like, seriously, that product does what it says it's going to do. Okay? Alright, so next product. Let's go ahead and look it up before I forget. Curl Cocktail. Alright, so the next product is from Jane Carter Solution. Is my eye watering again? I'm going to have to go fix my makeup in a second. But yes, this is Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Curl Cocktail. This product packaging is so cute, because as you guys know, Jane Carter is usually yellow packaging, but when they came out with this new line, they changed it to pink, and it's so cute. This is their Curl Cocktail. It's a conditioning styling cream. This is only $11.99. It's 12 ounces. And the curl maker was 12 ounces. That's a different product, but I'm just saying, I'm just comparing the prices. $11.99, and this one is buy one, get one 50% off right now at Sally's. And it ends on June 30th. Not sure if it's just one line or in store too. Not sure. So this has shea butter, coconut oil, aloe vera, and it says it's for super curly and coily hair. The conditioning styling cream tames and controls hard to manage curls. It adds moisture and hydrates the hair as it manages hard to handle curls. I already said that. It says it's great for twisting wet or retwisting dry, and it's for all wash and wear styles, so basically like wash and goes. So yeah, that sounds interesting. Let us know in the comments, have you tried this product? Do you love it? Did you not like it? Did your hair do something funky with it, or was it like popping, like Poppington? Okay, Poppington. Oh, I'm about to butcher this oil name. Alright, we have another MIELLE organic product. This is the BABASSU and Mint Deep Conditioner. Hold on, I gotta go get my watery eye fixed. And I'm sorry, don't be coming for me with my messed up makeup, but my eye just keeps watering. I don't know why, but I have to finish this video. Alright, so this is the BABASSU, I don't know, whatever this oil is, in Mint Deep Conditioner by MIELLE Organics. This one is $13.99. $13.99, not bad. And it's buy one, get one 50% off right now. And let's see, everybody knows a deep conditioner is a deep conditioner in my opinion. But it says that it's filled with amino acids, to restore function to damaged hair. It's made with botanical extracts, organic ingredients. Now, not every product has organic ingredients though, right? MIELLE is really big on that, so I love them for that. It says it mimics the hair's natural ability. It reduces frizzies and flyaways, safe on color treated hair. I also like that on the instructions, it tells you rinse your hair with cool water. I love that they say that. Cool water basically closes the hair cuticle, which makes your hair shinier. It absorbs more of the benefits and like locks it in. It locks in the moisture when the cuticle is closed. And like I said, it makes your hair less frizzy. It's really good to use cool water as like the last part of your rinse of your deep conditioner. So if you didn't know, now you know. Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. Next we have the main choice. This is their mousse. Let's see. Texture Beautifier Mousse. How you spell mousse? And this is from their Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. This product is $14.99 and it is buy one get one 50% off. Again, all of these say it expires on June 30th, so y'all better go shopping. Oh my. Alright, so this says, now before we get started on what this does, let me tell you, I use this on this wig and y'all, it does not work. It does not, this is not for wigs, I'm telling you. And I don't know if it's something about the product or maybe it's something about the wig. Like maybe this isn't like real like virgin hair or something. I don't know. But I used this on this wig and it was so crunchy and hard and stiff. Actually, that's why I had to refilm this video, because I had to wash and deep condition this because it made it too crispy. It was just, I'll never use this on my wig. But I feel like for natural hair, I can see this really getting your like perm rod sets or your flexi rod sets really nice and smooth and have a lot of hold and maybe last longer than a freaking day. Because I don't know about y'all, but when I do perm rods, they don't last that long. So I'm very interested in trying this on a perm rod set or something. So it says enhance with antioxidants to help to minimize damage. Let me read that again. Enhance with antioxidants to help minimize damage. It renders a beautiful texture while enhancing curls. It gives you weightless curls, amazing volume, lightweight anti-frizz roller sets. So that's that. Alright, so let me know in the comments, have you tried this product? I'm interested, like really interested in knowing what this did to your natural hair. And tell us like what hair type you have. Since that is another mousse, we might as well go with this. This is, alright, so this one is Texture ID. Sorry if I'm yelling, y'all, but I have my camera like really far away from me because right now I'm using a different lens. It's the 50mm lens, I think. So I don't have, this lens is not a zoom in, zoom out. So I had to put the camera like way far away from me to even get this wide of a frame. So since it's further away and I don't use a mic, it may be like kind of echoing. So sorry, y'all. Alright, so this is Texture ID's Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. It's $8.99. Wow. $8.99 and it is buy one get one 50% off. So this says same thing, provides a, oh, this one says provides a light hold while improving elasticity and shine. Great for natural styles and blowouts. It's a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees. It's a lightweight formula and alcohol free. Wow. And it says there's honey, aloe vera, protein, and natural rich oils, including sweet almond oil, coconut, jojoba seed, argan, and safflower. of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Hopefully the audio isn't too bad. I'm gonna have to invest in a mic or a recorder, voice recorder or something. If you have a suggestion for me, let me know in the comments. Special shout out to Sally's for sending me these boxes. I think it's a great idea. I think that I should probably contact Sally's because I want to do a giveaway, but I don't want to be responsible for sending it out because I'll just let you guys down and then I'll feel terrible. I will reach out to Sally's and see if we can do a giveaway of this box or one of these boxes because it was multiple boxes. And I'll give you guys an update. I'll update you in the description box, okay? If I can pull this off, I will give you giveaway rules in the description box. So make sure you check the description box. If it's not there, that means I didn't organize it. If it is, enter, okay? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And I'm excited to turn you guys off with my remote. Oh my God. If you are a YouTuber, get yourself a freaking remote to your camera. This is a Canon remote. It's not a complicated one. It's not the kind that you zoom in and zoom out with or anything, but it's for recording. You can stop and start recording with a remote, and it's so helpful. Now I don't have to like run and press record and run back and get ready. Like I can just press the remote. So make sure you get one. I'll link it in the description box, okay? But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm about to turn you off.